So members, I welcome you at my animal station. So these are my animals. That is the goat and this is the sheep. This is my brand. So today I want to teach you how they behave, their morals, and the way they are to be cleaned. So that is the food. That is the food for the goat and for the sheep. So this should go to all animal lovers in the world, that when you wake up in the morning, you should first see how your animals are in their way of behavior. So first move. You should know how your animals eat, whether they have eaten or not, how they behave in their way. And so this should be a lesson to all animal lovers in the world, that you should not eat animals. You should eat plants. Plants are good food. You should not take animals as if they are for food, and you should not kill them. When you find people killing animals, you should sensitize them about the freedoms and rights of animals. So after cleaning the dog's house, I'll be going to the sheep's house.